Right, we're going to do a little ukulele lesson, very quick, very simple, and we're going to do Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. So first thing, make sure your ukulele's in tune. Should sound like this. My dog has fleas. And if you can't tune it by ear, there's loads of apps that you can download or YouTube videos to help you get it tuned up. So the first thing, we'll look at the chords that we're going to use, and I'll just quickly show you them here. So we're using the chords of C and F and G, which, if you don't know what they look like, C, using this finger here, gives C. F, using this finger here, and the next finger here, gives F. And finally G, which if you're new to the ukulele, this will be the one that's most difficult for you. This finger here, your pointing finger here, and this finger here. So you can see what that looks like, and it should sound like this. Okay, and I'll do a play along first, and then I'll show you the sheet afterwards so you can pause it and copy it down. We're going to use a really simple strumming pattern on this song. It's just a light down and then a heavy down, so it should sound like this. And it gives it that kind of reggae bounce. So it starts. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. So that's what the song will sound like when you've got it, and it's really as simple as it looks. I'm just keeping up that down, 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 down strumming pattern. And the chord progression is really simple. We're starting off on the C. So that's this finger here. Don't worry about a thing. And then going into F. 'Cause F, every little thing gonna be all. Back to C, right. Rise up this morning, smiled with the, up to G, rising sun. Back down to C, three little birds perched by my, up to F, doorstep, singing down to C, sweet songs of melodies, up to G, pure and true, saying up to F, this is my message to you. And that's it. I'll show you the song sheet in a second and it'll make more sense. The word and the chord, where they go together, will make more sense when you can see it whilst you're playing it. And then once you've nailed that, to do the little intro bit at the start, I'll just show you up close and you can try and learn it from that. I might have done it wrong the first time. Okay guys, enjoy, good luck.